कुठे
Good afternoon, friends. Today we have gathered here for National Energy Conservation Day. That is 14 December is nothing but what? National Energy Conservation Day. So as an electrical engineer, we should know basic things. So for that reason, this session has been arranged today. Okay. So as a representative, our one friend Sakshi Gopi is going to introduce for this session, and afterwards session will start.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today we have gathered here for celebrating National Energy Conservation Day. It is observed that the Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on December 14th to spread awareness about the importance of energy and the need of conserving energy. Energy Conservation Day celebrated annually on December 14th. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency of India implemented Energy Conservation Act 2001. So, this is the basic information about the Energy Conservation Day. Now, I am inviting to Professor Vijay Sawant sir for guiding our student about the importance of energy conservation. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. Okay. In the introductory part, you people already aware about why we have gathered here. So today we have gathered here for celebrating an Energy Conservation Day. Energy Conservation Day, it is celebrated on 14 December. Already told in the introduction. 14 December annually it is considered as a Energy Conservation Day. Also the Ministry of Power, it is implemented to celebrate the Energy Conservation Week from 9th December to the 14th December. Okay. And it is decided or implemented in the Act 2001. So what is energy conservation? Do you know that the day by day the demand of electrical energy it is start increasing, because our India it is a developing country and day by day there is a development. So day by day the demand of electrical energy it is increases. So we people aware about that, how to conserve that energy, that means need of conservation of energy, because demand it is increases. And you people already aware about that the energy it can be generated abundant amount by using some natural resources like fossil fuel, but fear is that the fossil fuels or it may be gases it is in the limited quantity, and the lack of that natural resources, because of that there is a minimum or it may be less energy generation. Okay, so as an electrical engineer we should think about energy conservation. It is an important point as compared to energy generation. How you are generating energy or how much energy it is generated. So except for that, the how we are conserving the energy, it is important, right? So that means how we are saving the energy, it is important. So Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE, implemented in each year celebrating this Energy Conservation Day by making aware about people how energy can be conserved. They are making some of the different policies for conservation of energy so that energy can be saved and this can be utilized for the future. Okay. So energy conservation it is a very important. As an electrical engineer you should aware about your neighbor, aware about your friends, those who are not in electrical background, and you give the importance of electrical energy conservation. Okay. So in case of electrical energy conservation or energy saving, instead of using a bulb, LED bulb, instead of using LED bulb, using LED bulb instead of CFL bulb, that means you are saving the energy or conserving the energy, right? So what is the objective of energy conservation? So objective of energy conservation is that make people aware about conservation of energy or saving of energy. This energy conservation day is celebrated annually or each year, every year. From 2001, this energy conservation day is celebrated to make the awareness about people for energy saving. So if you are saving the energy, then future life of people it can be saved. Okay, because energy conservation it is important part, and energy saving it is important because the natural resources are it is in limited quantity. So natural gases like petrol as well as diesel, these are the limited. So we are moving towards the renewable energy sources also, right? But you people know that in case of renewable energy sources or renewable energy sources, there is a season dependent sources are there. Okay, so we are generating energy by using a renewable energy sources, but it is season dependent. There is a effect or not, we are using more energy or not generating more energy by using renewable energy sources. Okay, so energy saving it is an important part. That means energy conservation it is an important. So some awareness should be there. That means if we are arranging some of the marriages or it may be any one of the function. So as point of view energy conservation, you should arrange such a function in the daytime. Okay. So if you are arranging such a function in a daytime, that means your light as well as fan or it may be bulb energy will be saved, right? So if you are arranging such function in the night time, there is a requirement of bulb so that your energy is wasting, right? So such awareness should be required. Such awareness it is required to save the energy. Now, what is the objective of energy conservation? So objective of energy conservation is that to promote the process energy conservation, or it may be to promote the organizing body to conserve the energy, to promote the institute to conserve the energy. If we are promoting such different areas, or it may be different distributed areas, like any one of the organization, any one of the institute, that means the people who are present in whole country, they get aware about energy conservation. Okay, so promoting people. Again, energy conservation, meaning of that unnecessary use of energy. That means reduce and unnecessary use of energy. It is an meaning of that saving of energy. And if you save the energy, then you are saving the life. Now, this energy conservation day, it is celebrated among the people to send the message of importance of energy. Okay, to say or to send the message about importance of energy. What is the energy? It is importance. So if energy it is importance, if we aware about different people or more people, that means energy it will be saved. Okay, so by arranging such session or by giving some instruction to the institute, no energy it will be saved. If you are implemented in our own, that means if we are moving from any one of the class, we are already pasted one notice, switch off the fan as well as switch off the bulb. Okay, that means we are instructing switch off the fan, that means save the energy, right? But sometimes we are in hurry and without that switch offing fan as well as bulb, we are moving outside of the class. That means there is a wastage of energy. So energy saving it is an important, that means promoting the people as well as giving awareness to the people importance about the energy. This is the one of the main objective. Then this energy conservation day, it is celebrated in every year or annually as a special theme to make the some goal or to some future plans or in the vision of future plan. These are celebrated each year. Okay. Then importance of this day, it is nothing but encouraging people to use energy rather than unnecessary equipment or unnecessary use, right? So to use energy, if you are not required energy, just don't use the energy. If you require for a particular purpose, then it will use energy. That means there is a energy saving it will there. So some technique or it may be some equipment, if you are using a heater, that means energy heater, or you can call it as a geyser for cooking, for water heating purpose. Okay. So instead of using a geyser, you use the just solar heater. That means your energy it will be conserved, right? Okay. So if you are using a cooker, that is energy cooker, then instead of using energy cooker, you use just solar cooker. Okay. So that means we are saving the energy. That means energy save or energy get conserved at such condition, and this energy will be saved if you are giving awareness about the people, right? Because without awareness, people can't save the energy, and if you are not saving the energy, then future life of some people it get collapsed, right? So increasing demand it is increases, and need to conserve the energy conserve it is needed because demand it is increasing. To mitigate the value of demand, the energy conservation it is an important, right? So using LED bulb or energy efficient bulb instead of using all CFL, or it may be our previous incandescent lamp, that means it will save the energy, right? So if you are in any auditorium function, any function, just arrange that function. It may be it is in daytime, that means you get the illumination by sun, no need of using a light or it may be LED, so that at that time energy get saved, right? So in any one of the remote places, or it may be villages, all the villages, this village should be a smart village. That means street lighting purpose, if you are using automation, that means by using an LDR, that is light dependent sensor. If light dependent sensor, or when the sunrise it will be occur, when sunrise it will be occur, if that sunrise it will be fall on that light dependent resistor. Okay, if that light dependent resistor, sunrise or sun radiation it will be for that resistor, it will be automation. If automation it can be done, then that resistor it will be switch off all the street light. That means energy get efficient, or it may be energy get conserved. Okay. So likewise do the arrangement. Generally the energy can be wasted in a water pumping purpose. Sometimes it is wasted because sometimes tank get overflow. So at that situation, water it is also wasted. Water is also wasted, as well as pumping motor it is also on, so that energy required for pumping it is also wasted. Okay. So such condition, if you are using water level indicator, right? So if water level indicator indicates the water level, and you are using the automation, it directly switch off the motor, right? So that means energy get saved, or it may be conserved. So such a technique, as an electrical engineer, you should use such a project or implement such a project in your village also, in your home automation also. That means you get energy get conserved, right? So that energy conservation it is an important part, or energy conservation it is important in our nation growth point of view, right? It is an important because we require an energy or electrical energy. It is in abundant quantity, but generation it is in limited. So without thinking and generation, think about saving. If you are thinking about generation and you are wasting about energy, generally we people are saying we are wasting the energy and we are seeing that there is a generation, it is limited. Don't think about generation, think about saving. If we are save the energy, then no need about thinking of generation, right? So do you know that similar to that of money also, how you are saving the money, it is important. How you are getting the money, or how much you are getting the money, important than how you are saving the money. If you are saving the money more, if your source is limited, then also it is sufficient, right? No? So like that, if you are saving the energy, then no need about think of generation. We are demand of electricity, it is increasing, or energy it is increasing, and day by day we are installing a new plant, right? So new plant installation it is going on. We are using the natural resources, or it may be fossil fuel generation, or it may be hydropower plant generation. Okay, so these are in limited, so we are switching towards the renewable energy sources. We are fabricating, or it may be we are installing each plant renewable energy plant day by day, but then also energy demand it is increasing. That means we are wasting the energy more. If we control the waste of energy, if we are controlling the wasting of energy, then obviously there is a growth, right? So to make the awareness about energy conservation, or it may be energy saving, it is important, so that the Ministry of Power it is implemented to celebrate a energy conservation day from 2001 in each year on 14 December, as well as 9th December to the 14th December it is celebrated as a energy conservation week. So Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE, are giving some guidelines related to energy conservation, related to some implementation of act, as well as related to some policies, implementation of policies. They are giving some instruction. So generally use the ISI mark equipment, energy equipment, so that your energy should be saved. If you are using ISI mark equipment, then your energy will be saved. Okay. So sometimes if without ISI mark equipment, this will consume more energy. You know that if you are seeing our fridge, some fridge there is a rating is given. Fridge, do you know it is always connected to line, right? No, it is always connected to line. That means for 365 days it is consuming the electrical energy. So some fridge there is a nameplate. On that nameplate it is written as it will consume 180 units per year. It will consume 190 units per year. Okay, so that means energy consumption it is different, depends upon fridge. If you are using ISI mark fridge, so there are some energy efficient equipment are used, and because of that energy efficient equipment it will use a less consumption of energy, and if the less consumption of energy, that means their energy it get consumed. Conserve. Okay, so the BEE always implement some policies, as well as they are giving policies, as well as it will making some rules to use ISI